Hi, my name is Bishop Woods. I'm from Georgia. Some people call me Benji, but a lot of people just call me Bishop, so it doesn't really matter wherever you call me. I was born in Carrollton, Georgia. That's right outside of Atlanta. That's where I grew up in Carrollton. I want to major in business. I want to do that. Um, I'm a baseball player. Queens gave me a scholarship to play baseball. Thank them. Fulfill my dreams. Things I like to do outside of class. I like to hang out with my friends. I like to go out. I like to have a good time. I'm really fun and quiet person to hang out with outside of school. And the thing is, I want to learn in this class is communicate better because you need to learn how to communicate better to get a good job. Like how to be vocal, how to help people out better. So I think I made the right choice for picking this class, and I feel like this class gonna help me in the future.